Hello and welcome back to the Escapades. So today guys, we are going to be focusing on the Google AdSense and how to submit your tax information in 2024. So as you can see right here, I'm supposed to submit my tax information so that I can be able to get my payment for my channel. As you can see here, already I have taken a while since I submitted my tax information. So to see where the tax information column is, you go to payments, then you proceed to payment info, then you proceed to the settings section, as you can see here. So here is the play-by-play or the process of how you are supposed to submit your tax information if you are in Kenya, if you are in the Nigeria, South Africa, and in most of the African countries. So you just have to come over here and press add tax information, whereby you are going to press on start form. So as we wait for this form to load, it's going to prompt me to enter my password right there. Then I'll just proceed to next. It's going to take me over here in this particular section. So as you can see, we are here. So here it's going to ask a few questions as we submit this tax information. So the first question is this one: United States tax information. To find the right tax form, please answer the following questions. So for this particular AdSense account, it's an individual AdSense account, so I'm going to press on individual. But if you are an entity or a business, you're supposed to press on the non-individual or entity account. So from here, I'll just go to next. Then from here, as you can see, it's asking me if are you a citizen or a resident of the United States, and for this answer I'm going to say no, because I am not a citizen or a resident of the United States. I am a Kenyan. Then from there you just press next. Then as you can see, we have another form down here, another question. So based on your previous selected answers, a W8 form is needed. Yeah, so there are two types of forms, the W8 Ben and the W8 ECI. The W8 Ben is mostly common, used for non-US individuals, and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. So this one is for individual, non-US individual channels, yeah, while this other one is for business. So if you had put you are an individual or entity Google AdSense account, you'll have to select this one. But for my case, because I am an individual and I'm also a non-citizen of the United States, I'm going to select the W8 Ben. Then from there I'll just press start W8 Ben form. So it's going to take us to this particular section as it loads. Let us wait for it to load. So from here it has my full names, which are Clinton and all that. Then from here, as you can see, there is this particular section, but this section is optional, so you can leave that like that. Then country or region of citizenship, here we are going to indicate it's Kenya. So let's search for Kenya right here. Yeah, so taxpayer identification number, a taxpayer identification number or INT is an identification number that the IRS requires payee to provide for some tax form. If you claim tax treaty, you must provide this. So this one applies for the US citizens or countries that have a US treaty with the US. For this one, I'm going to skip and proceed to next. So as you can see, yeah, we have this particular section, the permanent resident address. This is the address that I had put when I was registering for my PIN that is sent to me when I was, when I wanted to monetize my channel. Yeah, so we are going to put this on here. So the street address was this. That is what I had put. It was 372 Kerugoya, Kenya. The postal code was 10300. So is the mailing address similar to your permanent address? So I'm going to tick and press yes because it's similar. From there I just go to next. So as we wait for this to load, as you can see, I hope the video has been informative so far, and I would appreciate it if you would proceed on and like this video so that it can be recommended to more people, and also you also subscribe to this channel. So guys, as you can see, now we are at the tax treaty section over here. So Kenya and the US don't have a tax treaty. So are you claiming a reduction rate of withholding under a tax treaty? So because Kenya does not have a tax treaty with the US, we are going to say no to this particular answer. Then we'll proceed next. So this particular form is going to take you around 15 to 20 minutes to fill out, but it's quite easy, as you can see. So activities and services performed in the US has the individual identified in the tax identity section performed any activity and service for Google within the US. So this one I'm going to say no because I've been performing everything outside the US. Then we are going to proceed to next. So from here it's going to ask you US tax document delivery preference. So the form that we have been filling, do you want it delivered to you through email or through mail? So for my case, I just want it delivered through email, so I'm going to go paperless, which is also recommended over here. So you're just going to go and read all over this content here. Then from there you're just going to accept the paperless delivery agreement and proceed to next. Then from there it's going to give you a preview of the document that you have been filling in, so you can just click on the preview so that you can see the various summary of everything that you have written, if it's correct in terms of the name, in terms of the PO box, yeah, and everything else in between. And according to this form, this summary preview, I think everything is okay. So I will just go ahead and I will confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge, and I believe they are true and correct and complete. Then from there I'll just say I agree or I confirm and proceed to next. Then from here it's where we are going to take to certify and sign the tax form certification. So under penalties and perjury, I declare that I have examined the information on this form and to the best of my knowledge and believe it's true, correct and complete, and I further certify under penalties and perjury that I am the individual and all that. You can read all through this. So it just wants you to confirm that you are the one who has filled the form. I agree that I will submit a new form within 30 days, blah blah blah. If you have any problem or you have misspelled or understated in the form, you're supposed to rectify that within 30 days. Okay, I think I'm just going to skip that one. This is optional, as you can see, following the optional certification. I'm going to just skip that, and I'm going to go here, whereby do you confirm you are the beneficial owner named in the tax identity section? Yes, I confirm I am, and you can see my name over here. Then I'm just going to click on submit. So I'm going to just click on submit. So the form is submitting right now. So let's switch my tax information. So as you can see, guys, my tax information has been accepted and it has already been approved over here, as you can see, and it was submitted today on August 23rd 2024, and it's going to expire in December 31st 2027. Yeah, so I think you can see that. Yeah, I think you can see. That. Yeah, so from there, I hope guys you are going to subscribe to this channel. This is our channel at the ESCAPADES. Okay, at the ESCAPADES we bring you travel content, lifestyle content, and also we bring you how to content.